Well, struck out at a Walmart and a Target, but that's okay. I went to GameStop. My code's still not working, so not happy about that, but that gives me time to find a Sub-Zero, and I'll use my $5 code for that. But we did get this. It's a G.I. Joe Gung Ho. His ranking level, which I still have to decode. I'm sure it's on the website somehow. So yeah, he's cool. Can't wait to get him out. Looks like he's a Marine, right? Hard to tell. Maybe that's not an Eagle of an Anchor, but we'll find out. So pretty cool. And we got a Zach. Pretty cool. Black Ranger, as you saw yesterday. Got the Blue Ranger and Billy. So now I have to find a Pink Ranger Kimberly, a Yellow Ranger. I can care less whether it's Aisha or Trinity or Trini, and a Red Ranger. And again, don't care if it's Rocky or a Jason. I'd really like to find a Jason, but I'm sure that's going to be hard to find. So stay with me, and we're going to open up the Gung Ho, and we're going to also open up the Black Ranger, Zach. So stay tuned. So here he is out of his box. As you can see, comes with his little gun in his holster. Pretty cool. The paint decal on this one's pretty clean. This guy's battle axe. And if I'm not mistaken, if you can collect all of them and find all of them, you can put them all together and get the Mega Weapon. I forget what it's called, but pretty nice articulation. Nice little butterfly here. Same thing on the other side. Head's a little stiff. Can't really look up or down too well, but that's okay. No tilt, a little bit, but the paint job on this one is really good. And he stands by himself very well. Oh. I know I said that once I get them out of the box, I'll get the other ones out. But when I decide to take Billy out, I'll have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll have the 4 Rangers. What's nice about this one is that he comes with some punching hands. His gun, when it turns into a knife/blaster. And then there's Zach's face. This part I like the best. I like it when Hasbro gives you like these little effects, so that way you can put them in the gun. And it just gives it a little bit extra. Now, that looks powerful. And I also have plenty of Transformers, so I'm pretty sure this blast effect I could use on some of my Transformers that I have, which on days that I just luck out and I can't find anything, I'll bust those guys out so that way I can show you that collection. But yeah, there's Zach, there's the Black Ranger and his glory. All right, like I said, next we're gonna take a look at Gung Ho. We're gonna look at his tattoo, see if it's a real Eagle of an Anchor or just some type of G.I. Joe tattoo. Oh no! Power Ranger down. Don't worry guys, he's fine. That blast effect puts a lot of extra weight. There we go. All right, well, stay tuned. And we'll get the next one out. Not gonna lie, so this is my first G.I. Joe ever. Even when I was a kid, I never really had the 3¼ scale G.I. Joes. I used to have like the real big ones, the Barbie doll size ones. But he's pretty cool. I will have to say the only thing I don't like, he does come with this little hat, which is nice. But there's no peg in his head, so it kind of just sits there. I like it that there's no peg there, so that way you can really see his high and tight. And as you can see, not a Marine Corps stick, not a Marine Corps tattoo, but pretty cool. But I think if he was any type of service member that wasn't a G.I. Joe, he'd definitely be a Marine, just because of that haircut. Look at that high and tight. Golly, look at that. Like I said, his hat, it's cool, but I feel like I would have to heat it up just in order to stay, because it doesn't really, well, no, of course I say something about it, it's going to stay, but okay. Way to prove me wrong, Gung Ho. Well, now it decides to stay. But he comes awesome with this 2 or 3 gun, or some type of grenade launcher. And of course, he comes with 2 trigger fingers. Not gonna lie though, could be just my mold, but it's very hard to get the gun in his hand and his fingers situated where they're supposed to be. So I didn't mess with the other hand. But this is another one of his guns. Let's see if I can get this in here. Yeah, this one's not too bad. Oh, there goes his hat. Yeah. Come on, get that trigger finger where it's supposed to go. Come on, straighten off the trigger. Well, that's as close as we're gonna get. And as his title as Gung Ho, he definitely is. He's definitely ready for battle. Because he also comes with a longer rifle. And a backpack where I'm sure he keeps his MREs, keeps his guns. I'm sure he has a peg in his back. There it is. I'm sure it sits there nicely. But the detail is awesome. Look at that. He's got his grenades, smoke grenades. Detail on the grenades are really good. Even his cargo pocket, the cami. Look at those boots. Look at those boots. So yeah, I'm glad I got into these G.I. Joes because they're pretty cool. He's got some serious crunch, as you can tell by his abs. Mean looking face. His head's got some great articulation. Side to side, up and down. He looks pretty good. Definitely get some crazy expressional looks out of him. But yeah, Gung Ho. He is ready for fighting. I'm sure he wants his other brothers and sisters out. Once I get the rest of the family out, I'll be doing a photo shoot where they're going to go after Zartan. And, of course, you gotta go after the infantrymen. So once we get all those out, we'll do a nice little photo shoot. I'll share with you what how they come out. So I think what I'm gonna do is the days that we don't get lucky and we don't find anything at the toy store or at GameStop, I'll just unbox 1 or 2 figures a day. So that way at least there's something going on. But again, look at this guy. He's just awesome. Straight awesome. Even the sculpt work on his face is just amazing. Oh, watch out, he's flagging people now. But yeah, he's cool. So we got him on one spectrum, and then we got this guy. Not bad for today. So thanks for joining. Again, like they always say, like, subscribe, share the video. Hey, leave some comments, whether it's good, whether it's bad, maybe some ideas, maybe, you know, give me some feedback about what should I do when there's days that we can't score at the stores or at GameStop. And we'll just continue to build. Like I said, I like to do some photography, so I'll definitely get these guys out there, get them in some poses, take some cool pictures. I'll throw those up there too with the video. And I think that's gonna wrap it up for today. So until the next toy hunt, see you next time.